In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot QuickBooks Online errors. If you're finding yourself facing issues with QuickBooks Online, don't worry, you're not alone. Many users encounter various errors, but the good news is that there's a way to tackle these challenges effectively. A very useful tool at your disposal is the QuickBooks Tool Hub. To begin, open your internet browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Tool Hub website. This powerful resource is designed to help you resolve many common issues without too much hassle. Once you're on the website, you'll notice a clear invitation to install the tool. Simply click on the installation link and the process should begin. It's as easy as that. The QuickBooks Tool Hub is a comprehensive solution that covers a myriad of concerns you might face using QuickBooks Online. After you've successfully installed the QuickBooks Tool Hub, you'll find a range of categories and common problems that the tool addresses. This is where you can get answers and solutions tailored to your specific issue. Take a moment to explore the different sections. You'll see that each area is designated to handle particular kinds of errors or glitches. For instance, there are tools for network issues, company file problems, and installation troubles, just to name a few. Now, if you have a specific question or error in mind, the search bar will be your best friend. Located conveniently on the tool's interface, the search bar allows you to directly enter your problem or query. Simply type in a few keywords related to your issue. Maybe it's a problem with your company file or an error related to software installation. Whatever it is, type that in. Once you've entered your concern, click to see what solutions are available. The search will pull up a series of suggested steps you can follow to resolve your issue. This might include detailed instructions, troubleshooting processes, and any necessary downloads or updates you might need to perform. Make sure you read through each of these solutions carefully. They are tailored to be as straightforward as possible, guiding you to a resolution efficiently. The QuickBooks Tool Hub is a fantastic resource that empowers you to tackle most errors independently. By utilizing its features, you can save time and potentially avoid lengthy support calls. If the initial steps don't solve your problem, don't hesitate to reach out for further assistance through the available support channels. Hopefully, this guide provides you with a clearer path to resolving your QuickBooks Online issues. Remember, with the QuickBooks Tool Hub, you're equipped with one of the most effective solutions for troubleshooting.